Okay, I got this inexpensive tarp, or not tarp, but hammock at got this at Lowe's, mainly because Walmart was out of them. But it's rated for 400 pounds. It says it's for 2 people. It wasn't too awful hard to set up. I got these tree straps. I've already been in it once. It seems to be holding me up. It was a little scary at first. I'm 280 pounds. I'm gonna put in addition to this right now. I'm gonna put a I'm going to tie a I'm going to put a ridge line across here and run a tarp. This is just a cheap tarp I got at Walmart, Ozark Mountain, and a makeshift ridge line. And I got some pegs here. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie me a bow line in this ridge line here. Okay, that first configuration wasn't working very well. I'm gonna try a second configuration. Setting it. Oh wait, this needs to be over here, yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna come across here. I'm gonna go ahead and make my little trucker's knot here. Okay. Use these for toggles. Go ahead and put it on the outside. Got another pressing knot ready to go here. I'm gonna do the same thing with it. Put a toggle in here. Probably should do this underneath, but that might be right. I'm gonna pull that tight. Okay. That should provide me with a little bit of a rain break. Kind of learn as I go. All right. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna set a line in there like that. And then I'll make another little bow line here. Something that I can untie when I'm done. Okay. Okay. Now we're fixing to see if this thing's gonna hold my fat ass up. I'm 280 pounds, this thing's rated for 400 pounds, so let's see what happens. I think it has me. I mean, I can feel that it's stressed out pretty good, but it's got me. I'm sitting here. If it goes to raining, I just grab my flap. Pull my flap under. Woo-wee! Getting out of it's kind of hard. I think I'll make a little bit of adjustment. Okay, I got my little hammock set up here, and there's some rain starting to move in, so I'm gonna see what I can do. I got this other little line here that I got from Walmart. I use this for my nets on the semi truck, and I'm just gonna time it a little. I'm just gonna tie this thing up a little bit, and just make me a little rain flap under here. Oh yeah, that's a little more stress than I wanted to put on that little tarp. I'm gonna come back this direction. Boy, that little oak tree just grabs, hold this rope. So. Okay, it's coming too. I'm gonna go around here and grab this loop here. Pull it back to me. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna run up here and grab another little piece of this came with a hammock. I'm not real sure what kind of stuff it is. I don't think I'm gonna need this hammer right now. Damn. Okay. Boy, I got me all kind of, I got things over here, things over there. I'm just gonna make me a little hitch here right quick. Tie this off to this tree here. Okay. That's kind of, I'm hoping that's gonna protect me from the rain. We'll see. Because it's wanting to come down, it's ready. Got me an orange and some mocha. There we go. We in there. We are in here. Okay. Throw this down here for right now. Kick my shoes off. And lay back. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. You can hear a little bit of rain tapping on my tarp. Okay, you can see it's been raining, and here's my little tarp that I got over top of my my hammock, and my hammock is perfectly dry. My ridge line for my tarp. I think next time I'll put my tarp over top of this ridge line. That way it'll give me something that I can hang things from inside the little enclosure that I made. But it seemed to work fine.